Your budget should reflect reality, so it is not only important to keep track of what each dollar is allocated for, but also to know where each dollar is. If you are keeping track of more than one account or a credit card, then this video is going to show you how to transfer money between accounts and how to simulate a credit card payment in Ploutos Budget. Whenever you add any kind of accounts, a correlating payee will automatically be created for that account. The steps to transfer money between accounts and to pay a credit card are the same. You simply create a new transaction, and from the payee list, you will select the account that the money is going to, and in the account field, you will select where the money is coming from. You will see anytime you select another one of your accounts as the payee that the category field will be disabled. This is because we are not adding or losing money, we are simply moving it. So there's no category needed to pull the money from. When you select Save, you will see in your transaction list that a sibling transaction was automatically created for you for the other account. This is because one account gained the money and the other one lost it. If both the accounts are linked and have their transactions automatically pulled in, then you will only need to import one of the links, as Ploutos Budget will always create the sibling transaction for you. You can simply delete the other one when it gets posted. Thanks for watching.